Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the 15-minute scalping strategy that you can do consistently while trading cryptocurrency coin and make a huge profit daily. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified exchange account and actually navigate yourself to the 15-minute sessions. All right, navigate yourself to the 15-minute session without a delay. All right, we're going to use BTC as an example, or better still, we will choose another cryptocurrency coin with a low price and also a low cap. So without delay, let's look out for H coin. I always move around this H coin because I have a strong hope on it that it will return to its previous stand or positions. I do have that faith. So having done this, you just need to what? To navigate yourself to the 15-minute sessions right here. Okay, right here. You're gonna go into click on this 15-minute sessions time frame. 15-minute time frame. Now here we are on this 15-minute time frame. This is time frame we're going to use to trade. Okay, so you look at it carefully, roll down back far, and see how those particular candles has been doing. Okay, let's check how those candles have been doing. Let's look at it carefully. Then we're going to go into try this strategy using what? 15 minutes. Scalping means we're going to keep buying and also keep selling. All right, we'll keep buying and also what? And also keep selling within few minutes or few hours. All right, using this what? Using this 15-minute time frame. All right, so the first thing you just need to do is to make sure you look at the interval of time between these two. The interval of time. All right, the interval of time. Look at those interval of time, how this particular cryptocurrency coin have been doing in this time frame. Okay, and you cannot just do that without the help of the RSI and also the help of the MACD indicators. These two must be used. Okay, so before I dive into this deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos. And if you are returning viewers and you are actually yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So looking at this place, because see, this place was a very good entry. This place was a very good entry, right? Okay, now we're going to look at this particular place. Where was the RSI? Okay, and what was the MACD positions? Now let's look at this. This is the RSI. It was good enough, which was at what? At 27. And this was the MACD indicators. It was actually nice, preparing to what? To crossover, of which it does. Okay, so with this you can actually buy using this what? Using the 15 minutes time frame. In the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so now we're here. If you purchase at this 5.5 0.05423, you purchase at this price. Okay, and along the line there was a very good reasonable move to this place, and then at this place, at that particular place, the MACD and the RSI have already changed their direction. They've already taken another different directions. So as at this place, you realize that the RSI was already, sorry, was already above what? Above 70. Was already above 70. Was already above 70, right? As at then, the RSI was already above 70. And the MACD has actually started changing position, started crossing back line, crossing the signal line down, facing down already. Okay, all right, let's look at something of this very nature as well. Let's look at this place. If we look at this place, the MACD, the RSI was 35, and looking at this place, the RSI was 86, which is already above the RSI limit. So each time you see RSI above 80, it means the coin is about dropping down. You can see of which it does. It dropped down actually. So you must work with these two, RSI and what, and the MACD indicators, if you must be profitable within using this 15-minute time frame. All right, always watch this what is it called, always watch this MACD line. This blue line is the MACD line, and this yellow is the signal line. And what I told you before was that each time the MACD line crosses the signal line upward, it's time to buy. And when you see the MACD line crossing the signal line downwards, it's time to sell, and do not buy then. Watch carefully until when the movement become favorable. Watch carefully until when the movement become favorable. You can see it here. Here the movement has already started becoming favorable. You can see here, and luckily it took the right direction upwards until this place where the RSI becomes, where the RSI become above 80. It's sold up. You can see above 70 here, yes, and it sold up and the market was over. All right, so keep looking at it carefully. Watch closely for the MACD and also the RSI before you dive in. And when you take it to this level, that you realize that the RSI, which is this, the RSI, which is this, has already crossed 80, then it's time to sell. When you sell, wait for another opportunity. Let's roll up. Wait for another opportunity for you to dive in. Now you look at this place again, a very beautiful, this is from this place to this place is what we call a doji. Here to this place is what we call a doji. You understand? You can see there was a little neutral movement, and here a reasonable hammer was produced, and also a red candle with another red candle of equality. Then it took off. You can see, then it took off. So you must watch this carefully. It's actually in my next video I'm going to drop how does the reversal candles look like, how do they even look like. All right, we're going to study those candles, when to buy, and how does the reversal candles look like, which is bullish, and how does the bearish candles look like. We're going to look at this too. I'll drop the video clearly in my next class so that everybody can actually understand how this works. So if you do understand what actually we've been explaining for the past 9 to 10 minutes, please do to comment, like, and also share. If you haven't subscribed, also please do to subscribe so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.